Okay, good night everyone. My name is Yohanes Edu Parlangan Ritonga with college education number 201506101. Today I want to make video for my final exam. I'm afraid to speak English. People look at me when I start a conversation with a native speaker and I suddenly forget the words why I just can't super a conversation. Like I want to be able to use my English. I have so many fears. What should I do? Hey guys, welcome to Yana channel. Today we are going to talk about those questions that arise in your head whenever you are confronted with a situation, speak or native speaker in English. I just want to say, first of all, I'm pretty sure you have heard that many times there is joke all in your head, but I know we need kind of dig deeper and talk about fears because I had those fears. Even though I'm speak Indonesian because I'm perfectionist, I get very nervous because I know I make mistake and I know I forget word and I know everything like happens and my face is turned red and I just know and it actually start happening like when I'm relaxed my Indonesian is a lot better like I'm in an environment just talking to friend or just to someone at store if we are really smooth language when I start thinking like oh my god like this one version I stopped recording videos about Indonesia just because it has been declining and have those fear but also have them in English. But with English, I understood that English is a tool of instrument that I use to improve my life. And without I want to be able to achieve my new goals. I want to be able to get new level of my whatever YouTube company development. So today, I'm gonna start with fear number one. People are gonna laugh at me in the only time I've been live and in real life like I get mocked or my accent a lot from social media but it happened because I get hundreds of thousands of views and I understand that even kidding get dislike on YouTube and there will be people who are unhappy whatever I'm doing and just because I'm doing there will be posting and bad comment and I hating me for whenever I do, but I also understand sometimes it's actually good that I have feedback because people tell me, oh Johannes, that is what's wrong, that press was incorrect, but they are not laughing at me, telling me how to improve, and I accept with a gratitude, so they only have been laughed at actually happened when I was talking to my friend and I told him I was so hooked up with this person like I want to say we are really connected with a person but use a partial web to hook up with someone and it actually meant have a sexual relationship and this is not what I mean and another time it happened recently on my Instagram. I came to a butcher store and a post story that I miss his meat and the meat in American conventional English when you say I miss his meat mean I made his penis like that and again people look at me but talk is was funny like it's not nothing and it was like the MS people oh my god Johan do you know there is a second meaning it's not like they're angry and at me so making mistake there is was like a friendly advice so I never had people real life like looking at me when I wrong and starting practicing English at of 14 and I was hanging with out with my really mean like teenager can be really mean then can they can tell really bad thing in your face but never has even happened to me because people understand what I'm making an effort to be understood. They understand that I come from a completely different culture. And I have never spoken English to my parents or to my grandparents, so the only exception here is social media. Like you are speaking in English and social media just be ready to get those hate comment, and even you are perfect in English, if you 112 out of 112 on TOEFL and your post video how to get score what you style, it goes viral and will still get a comment from people it's impossible in English, it's not good, etc. Like there will always be people social media hating you, but in real life, there is a teeny chance it's gonna happen, but it is not gonna happen. Guys, a native speaker, especially American and especially British people, are very kind and very friendly in real life. People who I meet, people who I talk in my English, even when I was intermediate, they really friendly and supportive. So it's all in our heads, and I think you have this fear English like people would like of you probably have it another aspect in your life. So it's just another reason for you to sit down with yourself and thinking about life. I don't have to be liked by everyone, and again I'm a person who have feeling all the time to be liked by everyone. I want in fighting like I won't start my channel. I realize I can be liked and by everyone, but it's really hurting me. Every time I read something negative about myself, and it took me a while to understand and to realize my goal is to use my talents. My goal is to get some achievement from YouTube. It's grow as an entrepreneur YouTube, whatever, as a mom, and at the best I can do, I can do it thing with the people, and people think about me. It is other people business. They have their own understanding of reality. They have their own experience. Maybe they just have a bad day, doesn't have anything to do with me. And if you want to dig deeper in this problem, I really advise you to read a book, Courage to be Disliked. It is like those book I was like, I don't do this, I don't do want this, I don't want to think, and I'm afraid to do this because people would comment and they would be unhappy with what I do, and I start just doing a lot of psychological research, and I start to doing reading a lot of book, and that one was a book that really helped me, like just talk about you can control other people emotion, you can control what they think, you can control what they say. Focus at yourself and start achieve them. Another thing I could recommend what this one on Netflix. It talks just about woman entrepreneur who has little ruthless, and she is not a role model. Thing that one you like follow, but just talk about like how she deal with all the problem like that arise when I'm taking like if I were her place I would have definitely given up. But she's continued and doing a really encourage to you read this book to watch. The one in Netflix just read interview or relate this topic because this is will help you in general, and you know majority people won't look at you and they will is their problem, it's not you, it's problem you are doing your best, you are practicing your English, you are putting effort into being understood by people who don't even speak your language, and Don't even make an effort to learn your language. Okay, and psychology class it over. Let's move to some practical advice regarding. Okay, other thing you can do there is another fear. What if the conversation get too complicated and it won't be able to support it? I was this fear, like for example, again I can really relate to this English right now because my language is pretty, I will say, pretty advanced, to talk about all kind of topic, but with Indonesian I can totally relate, and when people start asking me about business I understand, and I will think a conversation I will tell about my company. But if they start digging deeper I would be like, oh my god, this is too complicated. And what is an manager in Indonesia? I was surprised. I was actually to able to communicate with doctor and nurses about medical stuff, because basically in the conversation you can always add definition like specific words. So it was in Indonesian doing that surgery was like, this is in Indonesia, I can say that in English, or I could show on Google and I can once like 5 or 7 words that I need that we are related to surgery. That conversation become really easy because you don't need to like work idiot surgery medical business vocabulary to support an NFS conversation. All you need is 100 words, and it also you like, oh I don't know how many words I know. This is doesn't actually matter if you understand this video what is you mean, enough to support conversation. So start practicing. If you forget the word, you don't know the word, and do you didn't know or forget about the word, you can use Google to translate in your phone. For example, party this word and you be totally fine. And by the way, do you learn this word really fast? This is video back to you by Skillshare, a resource that I keep recommending to you guys, and they have amazing course about self-care that I want to explore. This is a short course will work about take around hard to complete, but it goes through thing. We talk about more detail. We talk about direct to people that around you, the correct, and it talk about thing we have already talked about this video more detail, like how to talk tricks of how to ask for, or how to find authentic voice, how to be yourself, and etc. Other people expect you just following God like. Check on this course, and if it's the first time you heard about Skillshare, and Skillshare is amazing online learning community for creativities where millions of people come together to take the next step. Creativity, a journey, explore new skill in deep, in exciting fashion, and get lost in creativity. Skillshare has been created special for learning. That means that's constantly at new classes for this premium member, and it costs less than $10 in a month, and annual subscription, and the first 100 followers will hit a link below and get free trial premium membership. That means that you can take a course I have recommended complete for free. That you just to go there and explore the power of those 4 classes. Okay, one of my subbrother that access to a free trial course premium membership now. Let's continue with video another question. Okay, is that what I've said? Feel shy, what if stop and freeze? Okay, this is can be happen as well. You are too nervous about conversation. This trick will help you a lot if pretend to someone else, because again stopping and freezing to doing something with just going with you internal, like maybe you are getting talking about people you are gonna laugh, and you're just many talk in your head, you can just process them. So imagining that you are different person. So probably you are speaking to a native speaker, you are communicate probably in new country. Nobody knows you and nobody know you are. And once this conversation is over, you will part always this person should try to pretend you are favorite movie character. Try to pretend you are best American. If you are American, you try to best a blogger you are really like. Don't pretend to someone else. Just communication then become you are more confident where your spot is. What if often someone want to remember here is that when talk with a person, people pay attention to our body language and our facial expression or our emotion. Incorrect in English, they will understand you didn't really. It's mean also they will understood like if they tell about something and you like don't understand but you just say yes, and a lot of times people will tell you but didn't understand, like that will explain in another way. So okay, say I didn't mean that, sorry was that's offensive because in my English it is not good, and okay, but you are smiling to open people and the people will understand 100 in your mean and offer them. The rest was like, oh my god, I'm sorry, that's something like we're mixed up and our culture is mixed up, so what people we could be understood. Now let's warp this video with a couple of tips. Okay, if you have important conversation in English come up, maybe you have an interview with a university, or I remember preparing for Y Combinator interview. It is an accelerator here in Silicon Valley for mistake that you can actually overthink. It is made before this kind of environment, like go through question universities ask during interview and go through question that people are normally at, etc. But I will say you time prepare for 2 hours, but that doesn't make too long because when it takes too long, when it takes a day or we prepare for combinator interview and instead of relaxing before, instead of just catching vibe or Silicon Valley, we just brainstorming and we are gonna fight that small company. There is thing do the same thing and people didn't even know, and how I look back of it, and it is important to know we're talking about to tell your story and don't know why you are interested in. So this is a university or that subject. But don't overthink, they will probably ask basic question or they have some complicated question. Just put yourself into that environment before the conversation or before the test so that your brain switch from your language into English will be a lot of easier. It's fine. I understand I'm never because it's an important conversation. I understand my English is maybe it's not good enough and I have not practiced a lot, but I gonna do it anyways. And when I shot a video, I don't want to see it because I understand I could have done better. And when I shot a video, it's actually told myself look at number. I told myself actually sit down and think what I did wrong and could be better. After the conversation, sit down with yourself, and the next conversation I have this note in my phone. There just put thing that I do better in videos, and I hope those tips I always look at before an important video and just remind myself that I make those mistakes is okay. It's good that I know about them and I'm gonna be better. In the next video, in the next tip, I do it. Until it feels normal, and just keeping have those conversation in English, keep being shy and being nervous. Some stress you're gonna be tired of it, especially you're in English speaking country or you're applying to universities. Like I have a lot of people here in USA who happily applying the universities. Most children of my friend, oh my god, I'm so glad, but there are placing to like colleges at once. And interview number of 10 just get tired if you just use and don't feel nervous anymore. You can do keep doing and also adopt the growth mindset. I'm back, I'm speaking English. My accent is not good enough yet, but I'm using this way as well practice, and I'm using this exact conversation my way improve. Learn to like yourself. Life is simple. We are overcomplicated, and this meeting is game changer. It is not. You can always do another meeting like many people do their work, so many opportunities, and if you don't get any result from upcoming for conversation, doesn't matter, you can do a lot more of conversation. The most important thing is that you have yourself, you have your time, you have your brain that help you for much in speak English. Like don't create a problem for enjoying yourself, and life is one gonna life, and I want to you go ahead and enjoy and look at everything from a positive perspective. Smaller like conversation with a native speaker. Come on, it's gonna fine. Life is easy to smile and tell yourself that it's not today, you are gonna make it tomorrow. If not tomorrow, you are getting in make a week. It's fine, you will get there. By the way, thank you for watching this video. So this is the end of video, and this video is I'm doing to my final exam, and thank you for watching and goodbye.